A long time ago, Allah sent Prophet Yunus to guide the people of a city called Nineveh. The people were very stubborn. They worshipped idols and did not listen when Prophet Yunus told them to believe in Allah alone. He tried again and again, but they made fun of him. One day, Prophet Yunus became upset. Without waiting for Allah's command, he left the city. He walked until he reached the sea, where a big ship was ready to sail. He climbed aboard and went with the sailors. As the ship sailed, a strong storm shook the sea. The sailors were frightened. They thought the ship would sink. To lighten the load, they decided to throw one person overboard. By Allah's will, the name of Prophet Yunus was chosen. He fell into the dark, stormy waters. Suddenly, a huge fish came and swallowed him whole. But Allah kept him safe inside. In the darkness of the belly of the fish, Prophet Yunus realized he had made a mistake. He prayed from his heart, La ilaha illa anta, subhanaka, inni kuntu minaz zalimin. There is no God but you, glory be to you. I was truly among the wrongdoers. Allah forgave him. After some days, the fish came near the shore and released Prophet Yunus safely onto the land. Allah grew a shady plant to protect him until he became strong again. Then Prophet Yunus returned to his people. This time, they all believed in Allah and asked for forgiveness. Allah blessed them with his mercy